Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to introduce you guys to the Oral-B IO7 Limited. This is a really great toothbrush from what I've heard. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, see what comes in the box, and then we'll quickly test it out and give our opinion. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's start off by looking at the box. And you can see that they put a lot of work into this. They have a lot of like raised graphics, which is really cool. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but I'll just kind of move it around. So the toothbrush itself is raised on the box. All these little diagrams here on the side, the Oral-B, the IO, really well done. So here on the front of the box, we have the Oral-B app. That's what it's promoting. It has 5 smart modes. It has a 2-minute timer, and it charges within the 3 hours. It'll give you a full charge. Now the color of it is the black onyx. It says that it removes up to 6 times more plaque. And then here in the corner, it just tells you that inside the box, you're gonna get the toothbrush plus a carrying case, an extra head, and the charging base, which you also see here on the right-hand side. So as I move it to this side here, these are the 5 modes. So you're gonna get daily clean, sensitive, whitening, gum care, and the intense plus. Now on the back, it's just the front, but in French. So I'll move over to this side. So here it goes into a little bit more in depth about the actual brush itself. So it has a tracking app, which we'll download and test as well. It has smart pressure sensors, so you can see that around the ring of the brush, there's a light that'll change depending on the pressure that you apply to the brush. And then it has an interactive display, real-time personalized coaching. So it has 5 smart modes you can switch through. And then it has the magnetic charger. And then here at the bottom, it just tells you that it has Bluetooth connectivity, 6 months money-back guarantee, plus a 2-year warranty. And then if you go on the Google Store or App Store, you can download the app. So now let's open up the box and see what comes inside. Okay, so to open up the box, at the top here, there's like a flap you can pull. That's great. Okay. All right. So, as you can see, it's not really like held in place, so stuff kind of moved around, but we have here 2 extra brush heads. And these brush heads, in case you haven't noticed, they are circular. And there's a reason for it. It says that it does do a better job at cleaning, so we'll put those here for now. This is the actual toothbrush itself. And then in here we have the carrying case. Now, this is, I guess, if you want to travel, you can take the head in here and the base, so you have to kind of separate them. I did notice that here there is a charging cable port, so maybe I guess it's magnetic, so it's possible. We'll have to test this out, but maybe this case will actually charge the brush itself as well while you travel, which would be really nice. So we'll take a look at this. In here we have the wall charger. And then we have, this is the charging magnetic base. I know it's wrapped in plastic, we'll have to unwrap this. And then we got a little booklet for the instructions. And this is one of those newspaper styles where you kind of have to open up and look at everything. So we'll take a look at this later. And for now, I'm just going to kind of set this up and we'll take a look at the brush itself. Okay guys, so here's all the components. This is the charging base, and this plugs straight into your wall outlet. So if we put the brush on here, it is magnetic and it does hold it up, which is great. But just keep in mind that any like little touch, it'll come off. It's not like it's really super stuck on there, but it's enough to hold it in place and it's enough to charge it. Now, this one also came with the power cable to plug into the wall, and it goes right into the case, which is great. So for traveling, this will charge if you have it plugged into your wall, and you just put in the base here, so this part here will charge. Now, one thing, I mean, this is nice to have as an extra and while you're traveling, but one thing I would have suggested for this case is it would be nice if it had like a built-in battery so that it could at least charge it maybe even once, just in case you were somewhere where you didn't have the ability to plug it into your wall. This is the extra head, and then I've already opened one of the heads, and to put this in, it's very simple. You're gonna push it in like this, and that's it. Very, very simple to put in. Okay, so I just wanted to focus more on this toothbrush. Oh, so that's interesting. As soon as I picked it up, you saw that it turned on already. So it has two buttons. Here's the power, and then here is the button that you can cycle through the modes. And it's already set to the daily clean. If you click it again, there's your sensitive. You click it again, there's your whiten, there's gum care, and there's the intense plus. And you also have settings to connect this to the Bluetooth and everything else. So that's pretty cool. So if you just wanted to start, you would go on daily clean, and then once you push the power button, which would also be your enter, there you can see that it's working. And like I said, since it has the pressure, I'm just going to use my finger as an example for the tooth. The head is slightly flexible, and you can see that as I apply pressure to my finger, this is about the correct pressure, which is why it stays green. Now, if I press it in more, now I'm pressing on my gums and my tooth too hard, and you can see that it turns red. So it gives you a good indication as to how you're brushing your teeth. And you also have the 2-minute timer here. Once this timer is done, I'm just going to stop it. You'll get a little face that'll tell you whether you did a good job or whether it needs some work. Now keep in mind that there is an app that also goes with this, which I'll show you in a second, which gives you a diagram of your teeth and how well you brushed all the way around. So I'll show you that next. Okay guys, just a quick note, if you want to know what the battery status is, I believe once you put it in the charging case or on the base, it'll tell you right away. If you stop brushing your teeth and you give it a couple of seconds after you see like the smiley face and it goes into its powering off mode, I believe it should show you, there it is. It actually shows you what the battery is and the percentage, which right now it's at 45. Okay, so here we have the toothbrush and the app open at the same time. So I'm just going to click start on the app. Once you download it from the store, it should look like this. And what it's doing now is it's searching for the Bluetooth. So if I pick up the toothbrush, let's see. It says hello. And I believe if we scroll through to the settings, oh, no, we don't even need to. So it's already found the toothbrush. And we're just going to say yes, go ahead. Now it's going to ask us to input some information. So I'm just going to pause it while I do that. Okay, so after inputting the information, this is what you're going to see. It's going to also ask you to confirm your email. And once you do that, then you get to this screen where it says you're all set. Now, next you can scroll across here. It's just going to tell you what it does for you. And what we want to do is we want to click on Let's Brush. Leave that automatically set up the tracker for your brush head, and we'll remind you every 3 months to check the wear. Okay. And so here we go. So here's the top of your teeth. Here's the bottom of your teeth. And we're going to say, let's brush now. And there we go. So once we turn this on, we click go. So now you have a timer on the brush and here as well. And I'm just going to use my fingers as an example again, just to kind of show you guys what happens on the app. So as you can see, it's telling you to do your lower right teeth right now. And right now I'm holding good pressure, so it's staying in the green. And I'm just going to keep moving along. So you see those ones are turning nice and white. Now it's telling to increase pressure. So if I push too much, reduce the pressure. And you can see the app is live with the toothbrush, which is really nice. So I guess the only reason why it's not, oh, there you go. Now it's changing the teeth is because the brush has a, like it knows if it's on an angle or if it's up and down. So right now it knows or thinks that it's brushing the front teeth. And then as I move along to the sides, and now it thinks it's doing the bottom left side. And what we're looking for is we're looking to make sure that all the teeth look white. Now if I turn this slightly upside down like this, it should think I'm doing the top. There we go, now it thinks I'm doing the top middle. Increase the pressure. And I'll move on here over to the side. So this is thinking it's doing the left side, sorry, the right side of my teeth on the top. As you can see, it's getting whiter. And here's the front again. So you guys get the point. So it goes on for about 2 minutes. Once 2 minutes are up, it'll tell you. And then once you're done, now it'll ask you if you want a medal, or it gives you some sort of like a recommendation for the next one. Welcome to your first brush. I want a medal. Next. Adjusting, do I have any gum bleeding? I would say no. And then there you go. So right now I got kind of like a, and in the middle face, I guess it just says that I did a great job. Let's keep it up. And it's supposed to give you a score continuous. And then it gives you a bunch of information here at the bottom. Did you clean your tongue? Are you flossing? Are you rinsing? And as you fill this out, it'll just keep track of everything that you're doing. So really, really great job of interacting with the toothbrush and the app. I think that's great. So yeah, I think if you maintain this and you do it the way they're recommending you to do it for the 2 minutes, you probably see some really great results. And I believe that this head on this brush being round and working the way it does, I think it'll give you a really great clean. So I guess there's only time to tell to see if it actually works the way it does. So once you're done, you can just save and it'll just keep it in memory, and then you're good to go on to the next one. Also on the app, I just wanted to show you, so you have the home, which shows you the teeth and the percentage of your battery. And this is where you would click on the start brush now. But you also have your history tracked here to see your average scores and how well you've cleaned your teeth. And as you go down again here, you can see things like the coverage, how well you did on each part of the tooth, the amount of pressure, where it was heavy and where it was weak, so you can apply more. Brushing time, how long you've been taking, the gum guard, happy gums, congratulations, recording no instance of gum bleeding, so I guess that just tracks if you have any bleeding. Additional routines, so this would be like your flossing and everything else. It'll keep track of that for you. You have your goals, so here you have fresh breath, plaque fighter, whitening, gum health. And if you click on them, you can set up goals for these to make sure that everything is the way you want. This is the device, so it's telling you your head you have 90 days left, and it gives you the date, set reminders, your brushing system is connected, and then you have your preferences for your goals. Other than that, you have customer support, your account, notification settings, and accessibility settings, which is under beta. So all in all, I think the app is really well done. I think once I use it a couple more times, I'm going to see a lot better tracking of things. So, okay guys, and that brings us to the end of this video. I hope it was informative and you guys learned a little something. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you're alerted of any upcoming videos. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.